Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Spoke Gospel channel. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to use Oddbit coin market cap with your pancake swap to turn $100 into $1,000. So first of all, I did a tutorial on Luna Crush and I didn't get much subscribers, so I stopped. So in this part, I'm going to give you guys an idea of how to I'm going to give you guys the step on how to use Luna Crush, so on how to use Oddbit coin market cap with your pancake swap and make good money for yourself. So first of all, I'm just going to give you guys the step. Then in the part 2, I'm going to go in depth if I see good subscribers, if I see a large amount of subscribers. So I'll advise you guys to share these videos so that I can also do the part 2 of that Luna Crush, because the main reason why I didn't do the part 2 of the Luna Crush was based on the low subscription rate. But for these, I'm going to give you guys the step. So for the second part, I'm going to go in depth. So if I see good subscribers, that means I'm going to do the second part. So first of all, we could see that all new coins got listed on Oddbit always do 100%, 50%. So I'll show you guys how to buy before they come. And you don't just buy all coin, you buy coin based on their research, on what they have. You don't just buy on coin, so that you'll be able to do 100%, 200% before they come. So first of all, the first step I'm going to give you to you guys is when Oddbit decides to list a coin, is being written here. So this one is going to be released tomorrow. So the first thing I check is for BSC token. So I always check for my BSC token. So once it's BEP20 and I see the total supply, the next thing I do, I go to my coin. Let me check the name of that token. See, look at it, BSC scan. So it's a good token. Impossible Finance, decentralized, blah 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 blah. So it has 7 million total supply, which is a good amount of coin. So if we should go to coin market cap. So for the part 2, I'm going to go in depth. If I see a good amount of subscribers, I'm going to go in depth. And you don't just buy all coins on Oddbit, you buy selected coins. And I'm going to give you guys the strategy on how to do it. But if you don't subscribe, I can't do the part 2. I have to move to another topic. When I see good amount of subscribers, then I will go to. I even teach you guys how to use coin market cap to make good gains for yourself. Using coin market cap to check new listed tokens and make good gains for yourself. That's what I'm going to do to you guys, so that when I show you guys will be able to make profit using coin market cap. But for now, I'm just going to teach you guys how to use the Oddbit and coin market cap. But if you don't subscribe, I'm not going to go in depth in the part 2. So we're going to check for Impossible Finance. Oh, it's already on coin market cap. So when buying, you always check for tokens that goes down, that has went down. I don't know why I couldn't see the. Let me check if the BTC graph will show what's wrong. So could see it went to 3.5. Look at it. Imagine I did this video yesterday, you would have made close to 100%. Look at it, from 3.5 to 6.69. So it has already done it has already done 100%. So can we see, if we can know this strategy, it will go a long way for us. So look at it, from 3 to is 0.5. So these are ways I use in making cool money for myself. See, look at the volume. Another thing is the volume. So if you guys are going to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'm targeting a number of 1k subscribers from now till the ending of next month, which is September. So once I get the 1k subscribers, I'm going to do lots of videos. So for this, there are many aspects of coin market cap we should use. So if I should go to, okay, after checking it that it's going to be listed on what are they calling it, Oddsbit. The first thing we check, if the coin have dipped, we first check for the coin. Don't buy coin that has pumped and because Oddsbit says they are going to list it, you went to go and buy it. Is when they go down below the price they came out. That's when they go extremely down. That's when you buy it. So I'm going to reveal some of these strategies on how to use the volume, how to use the circulating supply, how to use the market data to know how to look at the market now. See, look at it on PancakeSwap, $2.6 million. Look at it, just yesterday it did 100%. So these are ways we could also use and make good gains for ourselves. These are ways we could use and make profit for ourselves. We can use this also to make good gains for ourselves. We could use this. So all I'm asking for is for you guys to subscribe. So after doing your research on the coin market cap, which I'm going to reveal in the next video, I'm going to reveal it in the next video. So the next thing we'll go to is we'll go to our Trust Wallet. We'll go to our Trust Wallet. Then going to our Trust Wallet, we'll go to our Trust Wallet. We'll go to PooCoin. These are ways we'll make gains for ourselves. Then for knowing the coin that is going to be listed on Oddsbit and is going to do well, I'm going to reveal in the second part if I seal a good amount of subscribers. If you can give me a subscribers of 1,000 people, then I'm going to do lots and lots of videos that will enrich us, and I'm going to do a video on forex, how to turn $100 to